Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI training videos with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and start a new video project. Before creating the video, prepare your training content. Write a clear script and organize the information into simple sections so your audience can easily follow the lesson. Next, choose an AI avatar to act as your instructor or presenter. Select an avatar that looks professional and matches the type of training you want to create. Add your training script to the video editor and choose an AI voice. Select the appropriate language and speaking style for your target audience. Now customize the video by adding a suitable background, headings, text, images, or other visual elements. You can divide your lesson into multiple scenes to make the training easier to understand. Use the preview option to check the entire training video. Pay attention to the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, and the information displayed on screen.